Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm doing a review here of my mom's beef stew here. Here's the meat here. It's from Sam's Club. It's really good too. Been a while though. Get it out of 10 on 10. Now this rice here, this is Uncle Ben's roasted chicken style rice. Let's try this out here. Damn, that's good. I'll give that a 10 out of 10 too. Throw a piece of potato. So good news, guys. I'm getting close to passing stone. I could feel it in my bladder now, but yeah, not gonna get into any more details there. Yeah, this is really good though. Yeah. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.